Hi, this is Kathy from the Art Process Studio in Los Angeles, where I teach mindful mixed media and collage work, and I'm bringing you these weekly video inspirations that include galleries and museum work that I've seen in Los Angeles, or techniques that I'm experimenting with in my own artwork, and spectacular work that's done in my studio by my art students. As well as nature is a big inspiration for me. It's like feeds my soul, and when my soul's fed, I'm very creative. So hopefully this will all inspire you to look around you and see what this glorious world has to offer. Enjoy.